Hello everybody, this is T.O. Cooking. Today I'm going to make a butter pecan gooey butter cake. I usually make it with a yellow cake mix, but we had the butter pecan cake mix, so we decided to try this recipe. First I start with a butter pecan cake mix. I add 1 stick of melted butter and 1 egg. And this is going to be the bottom layer, so I'm going to mix it. Now we got it all mixed up. I'm going to put it in my 9x13 cake pan, which I have lined with some parchment paper. That way when it gets done I can just lift it out. Now this is going to be hard spreading, so we'll see what I have to do to get it all spread. Sometimes I have to wet my spatula, so I'm going to get some water and do that. I'm going to dip it in there. I'm going to work on this, and I will come back when it's done. Okay, I got it all smoothed out in here, so I'm going to set that aside. I'm going to make my filling. So for the filling, I'm going to need 1 package, 8 ounces of cream cheese, and I softened that up. I'm going to need 2 eggs. I'm going to get this on and blend this up a little bit. I'll also take 2 cups of powdered sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm going to put the vanilla in there. Now once this gets blended together a little bit, we'll add the powdered sugar. I'm going to add a little bit at a time, just so I don't have powdered sugar flying everywhere. Put this in. Sure everything gets down in the pot. I'm going to mix that until it all becomes together, where you don't see too many of the cream cheese lumps. Okay, should be good. We're going to take this and we're going to pour it on top of the cake dough. Okay, and just smooth it out over the whole area. Okay, and we're going take a half a cup of pecans, and we're just going to sprinkle that over top. There we go. Now we're going to bake this in a 350 preheated oven for around 40 to 50 minutes. I'm pushing more towards 50 minutes. Make sure it's done, but yet you want it still where it's nice and creamy. You don't want to make it hard. So I'll put it in the oven and I'll be back as soon as it's done. So this is what it looks like when it's done. I actually checked on it in 30 minutes, and that was more than enough. Probably could have taken it out at about 25 minutes. So they were wrong on that recipe. So make sure you don't put it in for 40 to 50. Make sure, try 25 minutes and check it and see if it's still gooey. I wouldn't leave it in any longer than 30 minutes with the 9x13 pan. But this is what it looks like. So I'm sure it will be delicious. Thanks for watching. This is TL Cooking.